Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of payment method on eBay. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about eBay app. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.